Welcome Secondhand Overland. Here to bring you another feral truck video. We're in the sunny Okanagan Valley, Summerland, BC. Not a cloud in sight. We're at the 80s Ford F-350 diesel will it run, abandoned for 20 years truck. I'm starting to run out of time. I'm gonna try and get this done as quick as I can. At least there's a small breeze, a little bit of a breeze. Kind of feel a breeze. That doesn't get in the way. We'll try and get this thing going. See what we can do with it. Somebody in their own truck. Sounds like a diesel as well. Okay, so first things first, I guess we'll hood back open on it. Kabang, bang, I got a battery here already. So, it looks like there's a custom ground clamp already installed. So that goes over there. That's still that one, so that should work. That's just a ground for there, so where's the ground for over here? That is this one here, so there is hope for it. There is hope for it. So I guess first things first was put it in neutral. Which it's in neutral, quite floppy. Too bad with the key. I'd like to have the key. It's so bloody hot. Oh wow, no, the F-350 fell off. Okay, we gotta try and stick that back on. Come on. No, it fell off. Dang. Oh, that's not a good sign. It doesn't even want to stay on there. Okay, well, let's set this battery in there. I didn't think it would fit too well anyways. Alright, well, it didn't just start turning over, so I don't know if that's good or not, but the battery's in it. See if these rusty clamps will do anything. No. No, that's not how that works. Something isn't quite right here. Has a ground, has that. So in theory, that's the start wire. That should be the start wire. Oh, it says warning, do not jump start there. I wonder if that's it. I get some sort of spark. But don't jump there. Whoa! Yeah! Alright, so use a screwdriver when doing that. On the way back to the truck now with a screwdriver because the rusty vice grips gave me a nasty shock. Oh, that was not fun. Not a fun shock at all. They say it could have been shock and awe, but it was not fun. Okay, let's give this another probing. Let's probe around a bit more this time without so much shock and awe. And yeah, so oh, we got some turning over. Let's see if we can get to turn over some more. Oh. Okay, she's a heavy-duty diesel. It's going to need some more enticing, but I think part of the problem is we don't have a power. We got no power to the engine, so that even if the engine started, I don't think we can get her to start because this yellow wire here, which I suspect is maybe neutral safety as well. Well, no, it turns over, so it's not neutral safety. Something kills a diesel, so it turns over. That's a good sign. Will it run? Don't know yet. But this looks pretty ominous here. This breather is just filthy, super filthy. And hey, it's got an element in it. That's good. But it seems that the looks like this engine might be a little bit oily. Okay, get that off there. Might be a little bit oily. I wonder what shuts this thing off if it revs up. Well, there's the fuel. I'm guessing there's got to be this wire here or something. It's got to be this yellow wire. Yellow wires usually mean go. Most vehicles. Maybe if we power it over there, that's possible. If we power it over on this jumper over here, maybe I might get some go on it. Let's give it a go. Okay, that's not too bad. Well, it turned over. Try again. Not enough power. Almost. I suppose if we had some ether it would start. I got no ether. It does turn over, so that's a good sign. Oh, looks like somebody added this yellow wire for special purposes, maybe. Alright, hey, I got an idea. Oops. Alright, it turns over. Good. Battery is low on power. So, this means I need one more battery. Okay, another battery. We'll get this one hooked up and see what it does. Positive, negative, positive, positive. Okay. Oh, something's cooking. That's not good. Alright. No go. Not yet. No go yet. Could definitely smell something though. Woo. Yeah. Maybe that doesn't need to be hooked up like that. Let's get rid of that. Let's try this over here instead. Something's buzzing. Oh, is that the glow system maybe? No go yet. It turns over, we know it turns over, but we'll make a will it run video and see how that goes. Interesting. I'll let the battery get some power first maybe. Disconnect that for now. Let's give it a minute. I got one more battery and jumper cables. We can give that a shot too. So one more battery and jumper cables. Alright guys, last shot. I got the third battery here. I'm going to grab the third battery. We're going to see if we can hook it up here. I'll get that set out of the way. So we got a good view of the action here. Take these ones back because these are better jumper cables. Okay, so hook those on there. Put this one on here, and that's there. Okay, so we got 3 batteries hooked up to it now. I'm pretty sure that yellow wire needs power in order to make this thing run, because I'm pretty sure somebody jumped the power wire inside so they could lock it up and let the engine run while they weren't in it. That sounds like diesel stuff. And I left my screwdriver over there, of course. Yeah, that was definitely diesel stuff. So, got my screwdriver. Alright guys, the first rescue diesel attempt. I am not a diesel guy, but I'm giving it a shot anyways. And if all goes bad, I disconnect this this clamp, I hope. So we'll see. That's 3 batteries. Let's see what it does. It's not very promising. And it's not like it's you can just bump it or anything, so that's not very promising. It does turn over though, so that was a little better. Maybe if we give it a minute. It seems to be turning over better, but so far no diesel smoke. No diesel smoke yet. Dang. I don't know. If we had some spray, we could do something, I guess. But we don't. So I'm running out of time today, and it's really, really hot. And let's just see what it does one more time. No go. You know what? I think the glow plugs need to be warmed up, and I don't believe we're activating the glow plug circuit. I don't think that's part of the glow plug circuit. But diesels need glow plugs to run, that I do know, and I don't have a key, so that could be part of the problem. So I think that's pretty good for today. All I got to do is get a droning shot of the cameras and stuff sitting here, I guess. I get a shot of the batteries hooked up, and before the wind picks up too much. Yeah, I guess next is just a drone. It does turn over, so that's good. But no run. Next time we'll bring some starting fluid and get a key put into it. Get a key put into it.